Hey, check this out, Street Life. Hey, you already know. Hey, your boy was downtown. I have my camera with me. I met some Go Fast people, and they said they're gonna subscribe to Street Life Moto. Let's go ahead and put them on camera right now. They're finna move around. But look, we got a whole little cool. Look, hey, they hit it for me. They hit it for me. They hit it for me. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, Street Life. We in these motherfuckers. Oh, I'm sorry, we're gonna cuss. We in these streets, Street Life. We in these streets. Y'all see these boys? We in the streets, and let one come out right now. Hey, oh, we got the truck. I told y'all, Street Life. Y'all know your boy TJ with the plug. We in these Street Life Moto Mafia streets. We got the Charger. We got the Charger. Listen, hey, see, hey, the Mustang boys know how to ride. Y'all better stop talking about them Mustang boys. The Mustang boys knew what they was doing. It's always a photo op. It's always time. Look, we got some more Go Fast. We got some more Go Fast right now. We got two more in the crew. Look, see him? Look, he hit the for me. He hit the pipes. They hit the pipes. They hit the pipes for Street Life. I told you, it's always some Go Fast. See, Mopar people, we are not scared to hit the pipes either. You heard the Mustang, the GT, but now you heard that Mopar no car. Mopar no car. The Street Life. Oh, come on, green light. Come on, green light. We need the light to turn green. 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 These lights are long as hell. These lights are long as hell. Come on, come on, lights. They're gonna let all the people go. Hey, look, Street Life, listen, your boy TJ with the plug. We always causing mayhem and mischief in these Street Life Moto Mafia street. You already know, your boy, the plug. Skr. Hey, check gang Street Life. You already know, it's your boy TJ with the plug. Hey, we gonna see if we get some. We're gonna get some highway driving footage. Watch out, I gotta see where one time at, man. We gotta see where the one time at. I gotta first see. I know where I know where they be at out here at EP, man. I know where y'all high places at. I know where y'all hoes be, man. I know y'all. No, I'm sorry. I got 12 radar, man. This Saturday night, these hoes be out, man. And they're looking for some, they're looking for an outlier. We just driving Street Life. Just a little nighttime highway footage. I thought that was a police car. It wasn't. It must be over on the side of the road. It scared me for a second, man. Woo! Yeah, boy. Y'all hear that rev? Oh, they're gonna whine. But we chilling on the curb. I'm just trying to get some rev. Just playing with it over the curb. Y'all see, look, we up here, man. Can't be acting like no fool. We gotta look where we going. Street Life. Hey, check gang Street Life. I'ma chill now. I'm gonna go ahead and chill and talk. I'm telling y'all my spidey senses. Matter of fact, look, y'all gonna see me. I'm taking off the sport. We're gonna take it off the sport. We gonna chill. That sport be calling me, man. That Mopar performance be calling me. I hope y'all can see my black ass too right now while I'm just talking and driving and everything. But yeah, that Mopar performance, it be calling me, man. I start hearing the whine of the engine, the rev of the engine, then the whine of the tranny. Yeah, I ain't gonna do it right now. But yeah, man, this made me go, man. But God, hold on, let me see. Look, I'm vlogging, man. Look, gotta get good content. So I hope now y'all can see me. But like as I was saying, man, that Mopar performance be calling me, man. Yo, it be calling me. And so I had to go ahead and chill right now, man. And we almost to my side of town. Just that little riding and revving after the food got me on my side of town a lot quicker than I usually do. So yeah, check Gang Street Life. You already know, hold tight. But right now, look, your boy out here trying to make content for y'all. Right now, man, if yo sorry, just free riding butt right now, if you ain't subscribed, man, hit the subscribe button, stop playing. Subscribe, like, and then share with your people so they can also join the Moto Mafia and ride with your boy TJ with the plug. Come on, man, stop playing. You already know. Come on, man, get down with your boy. Get down and stop playing, man. Come on, man. Turn me up, Turbo. Street Life, your boy. Skirt.